Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to add an activity indicator into your application. So activity indicator is like mainly used when you want to show, the loading process when something else is happening in the background. So it's like kind of wheel-like structure, which is like round. We'll see how that looks, and we'll also start animating that. So I of course need to create a new project. I'm creating it with the name activity indicator tutor, and I've selected the language to be Swift, and I give next, and I just create, and I go to my view controller class. I need to create an instance of activity indicator, so I give activity indicator is equal to UI activity indicator view. So I'm creating a new view, and then after the view loads on view did load, I'm setting the center. I need to set the position of where the indicator appears in the screen. So I'm setting the center of this to be equal to the view's center so that it appears exactly in the middle. And it is important to note there are different styles for the activity indicator. Say you have a white color background, then the activity indicator must be of something dark in color. Say you have dark color background, then it has to be vice versa. So we have different style. So the styles are like this: gray, white, white, large. So since I've not changed the background, the default is white color background, and so I'm choosing gray. And we also have an option to choose the opacity of the activity indicator. 1.0 being completely opaque and anything lesser than that being lesser opaque. So I go for 0.5, which is like halfway opaque. And last but not the least, we need to add the activity indicator into the view. So I do view dot add subview activity indicator. Done. But this alone is not going to, get our activity indicator into action. So we also need to start animating the activity indicator. So we already have a method for that, which simply reads start animating. So once this is done, the activity indicator actually starts animating. So now I'm running this on iPhone 8 Plus. So what we expect is there should be an activity indicator of color gray with opacity 0.5, which is like halfway opaque, and it has to be in the center of the screen, and it should also be animating in the sense it should like start rotating. So we'll wait and see how that appears. hmm the app is getting installed. There we go. So in this tutorial we have just added the activity indicator, but in the next tutorial we'll be adding more of the functions, like I'll stop it, I'll start the activity indicator, and I can even change the activity indicator to not just gray, white, but to any color I need. So all that will be covered in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.